Next question is about define canal outlets. Write a brief note on any one type of canal outlets. Canal outlet is a structure or device through which water is released from distributing channels into a water courses or a field channels. Thus, an outlet is a sort of a head regulator for a water course which supplies water to the fields. The importance of the outlet lies in the fact that it is a connecting link between the government staff responsible for the operations and maintenance of distributing channels and the cultivators who takes water from water courses and responsible for maintenance of water course. The discharge through outlet is usually not less than 0.3 cumex and not more than 0.085 cumex. Requirement of a good outlet. It should be simple in design, construction, and maintenance. It should be quite a strong and durable. It should not be easily trapped with any cultivators, but if tempered with it, should be easily detected. It should be workable, efficient with the small working loads. The outlet should draw its fair share of silk carried by a distributing channels. It should not be expensive. Its design should be such that it can be easily constructed by the local workers. From the viewpoints of proper distribution of water, the outlet should draw proportionality more or less discharge with the varying supply in the distributing channels. Type of outlet lights, non-modular outlet, semi-modular outlet, and modular outlets. Now, what is a modular outlet? Non-modular outlet. A non-modular outlet is an outlet whose discharge, depending upon the difference in water levels of both the distribution channel and the water courses. The discharge through a non-modular outlet thus varies with the variation of water levels in both the distributory and the water courses. For example, submerged pipe outlet, masonry sluice, orifice, or wooden chutes. Second is a semi-modular outlet or flexible outlet. Semi-modular outlet is the outlet whose discharge depending upon the water level in the distributor and is independent of water level in the water courses. Thus, the discharge in a semi-modular outlet does not depend upon fluctuation in the water courses, which provide a minimum working head required for a working is available. For example, like pipe outlets, Kennedy's gauge outlet, Crumb's open flume outlets, pipe cum open flume outlet. Now, third is a modular outlet or rigid outlet. A modular outlet is the outlet whose discharge is independent. This in semi-modular outlet it is dependent, and now in modular outlet where it is a rigid modular modules, then there is a independent of water levels of both the distributary and water courses. Thus, the modular outlet maintain a constant discharge irrespective of variation of water levels in the distributary and the water courses. For example, gives rigid modules. So these are the modulars, canal outlets, and canal modules. Thank you.